Betty's washing machine broke down, so she called a repairman. She told him, "I'll leave the key under the mat. Fix the dishwasher, leave the bill on the counter, and I'll send you a check. Oh, by the way, don't worry about my bulldog Spike. He won't bother you. But whatever you do, don't, under any circumstances, talk to my parrot. I mean it. Don't talk to my parrot." Then the repairman arrives at Betty's house the following day. He discovers the biggest, meanest looking bulldog he has ever seen. But just as Betty had said, the dog just lies there on the carpet, watching him go about his walk. The parrot, however, drives him nuts the whole time with his incessant ailing, cursing and name-calling. Finally, the repairman can't contain himself any longer and yells, "Shut up, you stupid, ugly bird!" To which the parrot replies, "Arak, get him, Spike!"